Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the new Emoji Game on your iPhone running iOS 26. Let's dive right in. So the Emoji Game is this cool little word puzzle that first showed up back in the iOS 18.4 beta, but now it's officially part of iOS 26. Here's the catch. It's included with Apple News Plus, and you'll need a subscription in the US or Canada to play. You don't need to download anything extra. It's built right into the Apple News app. Apple News Plus rolled it out as one of their original puzzles, where you match up emojis to finish short phrases. Inside the News app, just head over to the Puzzles section and tap on Emoji Game. You'll get daily puzzles plus leaderboards through Game Center, so you can compete with friends or keep track of your streak. Here's how it works. Open the News app on your iPhone, go to Puzzles, and choose Emoji Game. Each puzzle gives you short phrases with missing words and a set of emojis to pick from. Just drag the right emojis into the blanks to complete the phrases. A fresh puzzle unlocks every day for Apple News Plus subscribers. And it's not just iPhone. You can also play on iPad or Mac. Bonus, it even supports Genmoji so that you can throw in custom emojis in some puzzles. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more handy tips and tricks.